हेलो नमस्ते। आप कैसे हो? How are you all doing? Doing good? Flashing beautiful smiles on your face, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. And today's video is all about V2kart. This is my first order that I have made on V2kart. As shown in the picture, the packing was good. The delivery is made in 5 to 6 days, which I felt it's a bit long time. And this is the first product I have purchased. That is men's t-shirt. It's a cotton fabric. It has got stripes all over it. You can pair up with your jeans or trousers, whichever you like. There are many more wide variety of summer collection available right now on V2kart at 50% off. The fabric quality is good and stretchable, as shown in the picture. Let me speak of this V2kart. V2kart is an online shopping store, just like Amazon and Flipkart. They provide products of good quality, stylish and unique with the modern designs. And the next product is the trouser that I've purchased. This men's trouser. The quality is good, and because of lighting issues you feel it faded, right? But it's not so, because this is my first order. I have chose payment method as cash on delivery. One product is cancelled, so I paid cash for the products I have received on delivery. Now I'll show you how to order. You can use browser or app, whichever you want. I'll share with you the benefits you derive by opting either of them. If you want to order on website, go to the Google browser and key the words as v2kart.com. You will be directed to that page, and you enter your phone number or mail to get 100 off. Because on registering with the website, you'll be getting discount of 100 rupees on your first order you place on website. But the minimum order value should be 800 rupees to avail that benefit. But if you use a V2kart app, you'll be getting 10% off on your first order. There are different categories available: men, women, kids, and a wide variety of branded products. The starting price is 100 rupees. As a summer collection offer, you have got 50% off, so you can purchase the summer outfits if you wish to have. Now I'll show you how you can order V2kart products using app. Download V2kart from the Google Play Store, and then a screen appears in this way as shown in the picture. You sign in with your phone number or mail ID. I have signed in with the phone number. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. Thanks a lot. A screen appears after you sign in, as shown in the picture, with the products of different categories. You can choose whatever you want to order. Give your delivery address. A coupon appears as shown in the picture as V2 app, that is auto applied when you add to the cart the products whichever you wanted to order. Minimum order value should be 248 rupees, and the delivery charges are applicable for each and every product. Choose your payment method. Cash on delivery is also available. I have opted cash on delivery option because this was my first order. That's it. Done. Your order is successful, and you can give your feedback if you want to. This is the way you can order on V2 app. How was the video? If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Meet you in the next video, and keep smiling.